Hey, I'm Texas Storm Chaser's Baldy-in-Chief David Reimer. Coming up to 6 p.m. Friday the 15th of August, 2025. The tropical blob not to be has moved inland to the Rio Grande Valley, South Texas, bringing scattered showers and storms, but really a lot of the rain evaporated as soon as it moved on the coast. A lot of dry air entrainment in place, apparently, which we don't typically see with these things, but it does happen from time to time. It beats the alternative of 20 inches of rain. We did have a band of storms move inland from southeast Texas, the coastal plains, into central Texas this afternoon. That little lightning wind icon, a 60-mile-per-hour wind gust this afternoon at Austin Bergstrom International Airport. That made a bit of a mess for flight operations for a wee while. You could see a line of clouds there moving north across the hill country into North Texas. That's an outflow boundary. You can see southeast of that, not many clouds. That's because it is a slightly more stable atmosphere with rain-cooled air. Now, as we go into this evening, you notice we also have scattered showers and storms in the Big Bend, the Guadalupe Mountains, the Davis Mountains, out into the borderland of far west Texas, Marfa, Alpine, Fort Stockton, back through Pecos, towards El Paso. That is not related to tropical blob. That was not meant to be. That's just monsoonal moisture. Dangerous cloud-to-ground lightning, gusty winds, locally heavy rain. When thunder roars, get your keister indoors. Oh, and blowing dust probably, too, from those strong outflow winds. Going into tonight, here's that super-duper awesome blossom high-resolution rapid refresh model. Guess what? Notice we have a little cluster of showers and storms that try to develop overnight, moving northwest into south-central Texas. That maybe in association with a small area of low pressure that we're going to keep an eye on. A vast majority of model data does not show heavy rain with this. However, some areas could get 2 to 3 inches of rain, maybe a little more if that small-scale heavy complex of storms develops. Notice this model does not sit those storms over one area very long, which is good. We'll watch it, but overall, a relatively uneventful evening and night, maybe with the exception of a few isolated spots in south-central Texas and maybe the hill country that could get a few inches of rain. And again, I can't completely rule out a localized flash flooding risk. Otherwise, going into tomorrow afternoon, more thunderstorms across the eastern half of the state. Well, really a good chunk of the state, to be perfectly honest with you, at least the chance of isolated pop-ups. More folks than not will remain dry, but remember, ladies and gentlemen, when thunder roars, get your keister indoors. Localized weather radar on, or localized, how about interactive weather radar on our website, texasstormchasers.com/radar, and in the free Texas Storm Chasers mobile app. We'll keep an eye on things. Have a good night.